Fedora or Debian. One's Red Hat's innovation lab with bleeding-edge tech, the other's the rock that half the Linux world is built on. Both excellent, totally different philosophies. If this helps, hit that like button, let's compare. Quick setup. Fedora 42 released April 2025 with GNOME 48, Linux 6.14, and cutting-edge features that eventually land in Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Debian 13. Trixie released August 2025, the universal operating system, with 70,000 packages, 5 years of support, and legendary stability that powers Ubuntu, Kali, and hundreds of derivatives. The fundamental difference. Fedora moves fast with 6-month releases. Debian moves deliberately with releases every 2+ years. This isn't just about speed, it's about philosophy. Fedora is where technologies mature before enterprise deployment. Debian is where they become universal standards. What's actually new in 2025? Fedora 42 just shipped with a completely redesigned Anaconda WebUI installer, finally fixing Fedora's biggest historical criticism with guided partitioning and dual boot wizard support. KDE Plasma Desktop got promoted to full edition status alongside Workstation, and there's a new cosmic spin with System 7.6's Rust-based desktop. Debian 13 added official RISC-V support, a massive milestone enhanced security with Intel CET and ARM pack, BTI hardening, plus GNOME 48 and KDE Plasma 6. Both distros modernized significantly in 2025. Package freshness. This is the killer difference. Right now, Fedora 42 has GNOME 48, GCC 15, PHP 8.4, and Python 3.13. Debian 13 also has GNOME 48 and Python 3.13, but here's the catch. Debian testing had these months ago, then they were frozen for stability testing before release. Fedora gets cutting-edge packages continuously. Debian gets thoroughly vetted packages after extensive testing. Stability trade-offs. Fedora's DNF5 now removes expired repository keys automatically. Nice automation, but also shows Fedora's move-fast approach. Debian's point releases come every few months with only security and critical fixes. You're not fighting system breakage on Debian. Fedora occasionally requires attention during updates, though it's improved significantly with recent releases. Developer impact. If you're developing software for RHEL, CentOS, Stream, or enterprise environments, Fedora is your testing ground. Technologies like Wayland, PipeWire, Systemd, and Podman mature on Fedora first. Debian is better for long-term development environments where you need consistency across versions. Python developers particularly appreciate Debian's stability for production deployments. Installation experience. Both have modern installers now. Fedora's new WebUI installer is genuinely impressive. It finally addresses decades of criticism. Debian's installer is straightforward and well documented. Neither is difficult anymore, but Fedora is more polished visually while Debian's more comprehensive in options. Bottom line, choose Fedora. If you want the latest technologies you're developing for Red Hat ecosystems, or you enjoy being on the cutting edge with reasonable stability. Choose Debian if you need rock-solid dependability, long-term support, or you're building infrastructure that can't tolerate unexpected changes. Both are excellent, just ask yourself if you prioritize innovation or stability. What's your use case? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe for more Linux comparisons and check the description for installation guides. Catch you next time!